Today I've got an unboxing of the Ultimate Ears HYPERBOOM, which is a Bluetooth speaker built for parties. It's got an IPX4 splash rating, it's got 24-hour battery life, it's got really extreme bass as it says on the box right here. You can see that. Some other things that it has is it's got Bluetooth, it has an adaptive EQ, which means it'll adapt the equalizer of the speaker using the microphone built in to make it sound as good as it possibly can. It's got the one-touch music control, it can charge your phone, it's portable with this built-in strap on the back of the speaker, and it's got Party Up, which means you can connect the HYPERBOOM, UE Boom, and the Mega Boom all together to play sound all together. It's pretty heavy. That's pretty much there is to say about the speaker until I unbox it, so let's go. Okay, so just like any box, I'm gonna cut the sticker tape on the back. Oh, okay. So, how am I gonna do this? The box opens like this. And then, bear with me for 2 seconds. Okay, pull the speaker out, just like that. And then what's left in the box is this other tiny box that I'll get to in a second. Putting this one aside for now, we're just left with the speaker. Take it out. Jeez, this thing is heavy. Well, not too heavy, but heavier than I thought. Hopefully you guys can see it. Rip that. And take the plastic off. Ooh. And there is the speaker. That's the top of it. So it's got the pretty signature Ultimate Ears look. And yeah, it's just a really big square, rectangle. And then the handle, this one, just pull it out, and you're gonna just grab onto it like that. Not that I need to. I can take these stickers off because I don't need those. If I can get my nail under there, would be great. Look at that. There you go, looks pretty good. Now, let's turn it on with the power button, which is, I'm assuming, this one.
Hi there. Please download the Ultimate Ears Boom app to experience all of the features of your speaker.
Okay, I'll get that done. But first, put that aside. I'm gonna open this box, which just a regular box, really. Oops. If I could open it. So in this box, you've just got paperwork, which, as always, never needed. Got instruction manuals, some pretty simple photos. You guys can read that. Got the AC adapter, and then the power cord to plug it in. And that's it, really. Not much more to it. So this is the speaker. As you can tell, it's pretty big. Unfortunately, I can't connect it right now because that's my phone, it's recording. So I think I'll leave that for the full review / sound test. So yeah, I'm gonna have a play with this, see how it sounds, and let you guys know. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Later.